All right, so in just a couple minutes, in a few minutes, that will come out of the oven. We'll roll it out and bake it off. So this will be smelling like bread here in a little bit. So just feel that. I mean, it's so silky smooth, right? I mean, that's what you want. All right, so I'll show you what we're gonna do. So I was talking to this guy at this restaurant who had great rolls. I said, how do you make that happen? He said, you make a knot and tuck them in.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah, like that. Just and watch. I think bread is a good example of what our life is like, because it's often, you can't do bread without a hot oven, and often to get to the best place you have to be punched down, right? So the more times you are punched down and it rises, the better the texture of your bread. And I think Scripture talks about this sweet aroma that we can be to God. And I think, cut grass, rain on a sidewalk, and bread baking. Those are probably the three best smells ever. But you can't get bread baking without heat. So, and something has to die, right? That live yeast that created the bread is going to give its life so that we can eat like kings and queens. I'm at about 400 degrees.
Straight through?
I'll when I have two, I'll put bottom and top, and I'll switch them halfway through. Done it 10 minutes ago. See, timer. We'll do 15. We are minutes away from some great bread. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is a good piece of bread.